It has been slow going on some streets across Wichita today because of all this rain we've gotten. The most to fall in one day in years. Good evening. Thanks for joining us. I'm David Scott.
And I'm Deb Ferris. Drivers have found themselves stalled in some areas as the water has risen. KAKEland's Wray shows us what happened.
This is not a lake or a pond, but rather what the road looks like on Hydraulic and Wassel after more than 3 3/4 inches of rain fell in Wichita.
Yeah, I'm cold, still wet, dripping.
Natalie Duran is a South High School student, not damp from rain, but from going out into a flooded road and rescuing another car from its stalled fate.
Why would you leave somebody out there? Wouldn't you want somebody to help you out?
Flooded streets were a problem all across Wichita today, and on the other side of town, another car submerged and struggling. More than 15 cars were stuck at Pawnee and West throughout the day, some abandoned, some full of people. Saul Velasquez was on his lunch break when his car stalled driving through deep water.
It was just a dumb moment. I knew better. I should have turned around instead of keep going.
But he didn't let this moment define him. After getting help from his cousin pushing his own car out of the road.
We got to pass it forward. We got to pass it forward.
That was the moment the pair realized there was another car in the same position they were just in. So they stepped up and helped out. They went on to move 2 other cars out of the road after they stalled.
I think they should close the roads, honestly. Yeah. If I'm not the first or the last one, you know.
If you have to drive in flooded conditions, always remember to slow down, have an extra following distance between cars, and brake gently to avoid hydroplaning. And if you see someone stranded in the road, offer to help out or call someone else who can. Abby Wray, KAKE News on your side.